Any beginners out there, a lot of the times they make this mistake. When you come across a wall like this, you don't want to hang the small bottom and the other bottom and then put on the top, because you can't trust the floor to be nice and level. That's almost never the case. So this is how you hang something like this, where you have a short piece, a long piece, and a small piece. So first thing first, you measure your wall like normally. And we're gonna go 810, yeah? 810, 815, right? 810, 815. This one didn't really work out very well. So cut your first piece. Because I'm cutting it from the back, right? This is what I'll do. I'll cut it like that. But when it comes time to snap, I'm gonna come to the face of it and finish it off, right? Just because I don't wanna ruin the face. I don't wanna ruin this paper right there. Because my knife is sharp, but it's not that sharp. Just smack it right on. Cool. Yeah, got him. Just screw it like an normal wood, right? Instead of doing this one over here, we're gonna leave that for now. Okay, we'll do the top. Of course, you glue your wall if you're in Australia. Finish the whole wall, right? Just because we're here. That piece is 34.25. I'm gonna go cut 34.25. I'll be right back with you guys. Put this big piece on. Cool. Now what you do from here, you wanna look at the rebate. If it goes up, the rebate is gonna open. If it goes down, the rebate is gonna open this side. You wanna make sure that this piece is sitting on this rebate nice and tight, which means that the whole piece is sitting straight. Once you're happy, you screw it. Once you're happy there, you put that piece on, you grab the other bottom and you put it on. Except this time, you go up to it like that. And that's how you get a very nice rebate. That's how you get a very tight rebate. It's very easy to do, and you guarantee that everything's gonna be tight, and you're not using the concrete as a straight surface. You're only using the rebate over here to make sure that it matches over there, and that's how you get a very good rebate joint. Obviously, finish screwing it and just cut it, and you're done. I don't know, man. The tip keeps breaking. I just broke the tip. Trying to demonstrate. That didn't really work out. Check that out. This is how you change it. Look. Press that, and that's gonna allow this to spin. Take that off. Grab that new tip that you just had. Gonna get a tip onto this guy here. Get it through. Put it back in there. See that guy right on. Spin that on. Get that right on real quick. Put that back on. Twist it. The more I twist it now, it's spinning the whole thing, okay? So now you wanna grab this guy. It's still a little bit loose. Come back to our working desk over here. Make sure it's where you want it to be. All right, there. I'm happy there. Once I'm happy, spanner or any of whatever you use, just finish that off. Now I'm gonna cut it. Listen to me. I'm gonna use the offcut that I have because you shouldn't waste anything in life, okay? And the good thing about the piece that I cut off this window before is that it actually fits in the window. I'm gonna glue it just a little bit. Try not to get too much glue on that. You don't want the glue touching that window there. You don't have to put this on it, but it's extra support and it makes me feel good inside, alright? I'm gonna give you a quick little tip. Stripping it one by one, a piece at a time is annoying. It's from a little piece like this. You don't wanna bend down, break your back, and never have life support for the rest of your life. I'm gonna put a tearway here. I'm gonna put something here to make the window and the plaster match up very nicely. But I'm also gonna put an external bead around here. For the tearway to fit nicely, you need to have a little gap. 3 millimeters up to 10 millimeters, I recommend. When you grab this piece here, I wanna sit it on there, okay? And I'm trying to make sure that I have a small gap for my tearway because you don't want to come back to trying to cut that piece back and scratching that window there. So with that gap, I'm gonna screw that on there. Now check it out. So much easier to scribe now in a very comfortable position because it looks like it's right on my height. I got a piece I need to cut, plus that piece is on there already. I'm gonna measure that window. You measure from the window to the end of the timber. That's 140. Because I want that 5 millimeter for my tearway, I'm gonna go 535. I mean, not 535, 135. 535 would be too big. I'm gonna cut off that rebate by going 60 millimeters. Okay? Get that rebate up. Look at that, it's like a workbench. Alright, get that off. And from there, I'm gonna go 135. 135. I already know if I start from this end and I try to screw, it's gonna snap and I don't want it to snap just yet. So I'm being very gentle while I cut it. Slice it right off. Hey. Imagine if you had to do that every time. Compared to before. Anyways, that's done. Put that there, mark it, cut it. That's pretty much what you do. Marking it there, putting it down, slice it as straight as you can. It's a little bit tight. It's not to cut it as tight as me, okay? Do the same thing inside. And that should just snap right off. Grab this piece, go tight to that. Remember that 5 millimeter, that's very important. Cool. That's pretty much it right there, man. Stay tuned for part 2 and we'll go from there. Adios and peace out.